Right, we've got a Renault 5 turbo. It's running a 197 engine with a big turbo, 550 brake, yeah?
Yeah.
What's the torque on it?
479.
479 foot-pounds.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, fully forced. 2 litre.
Audi TT gearbox.
And it did 10.4, did you say? Quite a mile.
144.
You know, that's a lot. And it weighs about 800 kilos, yeah?
Yeah, without even touching the red line.
Bloody hell. Imagine that, guys.
Yeah.
Madness, madness on wheels.
There'll be a few of them here on Monday like this.
Got a catch can here, yeah?
Yeah. One there, that's for the head. And the one on the other side is for the block.
Right. That one there in the corner, yeah.
Yeah, it's for the block, the breather.
What's the turbo you're on? Your Honeywell, is it?
Yeah, 4088.
1488.
What have you done?
Right, mate. Nice to see you, yeah? Hope you're gonna get a 9 one day.
I'm gonna have a 9 on Monday.
8-4.
Is it?
I'm gonna have a 9 on Monday.
Seriously?
Yeah, I'm gonna send it.
Ah, dear.
And if I break it, get it gone.
Good luck.
Monday night.
What's happening on Monday? Is it some event here, yeah?
Private day.
Yeah, if it's a private, yeah. Right. Nice one. Good luck, guys, yeah?